That right there is not my hair. This is the 3-in-1 half wig by HerGivenHair. So let me take this off and put it on again and tell you about this wig. So this wig is super versatile because you can wear it like I did in the first clip where I have a little bit of leave out in the front and just blended it in. Or you can wear it, you know, as a half wig with a cute little headband, or even as a ponytail. I showed in one of the clips this drawstring in the back. That is for when you want to pull it to make a ponytail. So you guys literally just saw me put on the wig, and now I'm just spending a little bit of time blending in my own hair with the wig's hair. And it's so easy because they have so many beautiful textures that actually match type 4 hair, which is what I have, which makes the blending so much easier. Wigs are my go-to protective style, and usually I would have to glue down a lace, and I'm always super careful not to touch any of my edges because we're trying to keep them, girl. But with this one, I don't even have to worry about that because I just have a little bit of leave out. There's no glue, there's no melting the lace. Everything just looks seamless and natural. This is literally a wash and go in 2 minutes without the hassle. And before y'all ask, I'm gonna link this wig in my bio, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. But look at the blend, okay? Get yours.